Hello and welcome to what's new in the April 2025 Microsoft Game Development Kit. The GDK is a complete set of tools, APIs, extensions, and programming models that can be used across current and future Microsoft gaming platforms and initiatives. The design and features of the GDK are driven by your feedback about how you like to develop games. We're on a journey that goes back decades. With every release of the GDK, we take a step closer to a world where developing games for Xbox, Windows, and PC Game Pass is faster and easier, no matter where you started your development. The key features and fixes that are highlighted in this video are just a handful out of dozens, a mix of improvements for PC and Xbox development that speed up iteration times or give developers more powerful tools to optimize their game experiences. Most importantly, many of these features are the direct result of developer requests. In addition to many stability and performance fixes, this release includes the following new features. Submission Validator updates. Submission Validator now enforces approved GDK versions for PC titles. We've also added new checks for very large packages, issuing a warning at 450 GB and an error at 500 GB, helping ensure smoother certification. Visit aka.ms/embeddedgdk version for additional details. WdCapture CLI support for PC screenshots. A new command line interface, CLI tool WdCapture, has been introduced for capturing screenshots on PC using Windows graphics APIs. It supports both SDR and HDR formats, saving captures as PNG or JXR files. Users can specify custom file paths and choose the display to capture, making screenshot management simple and effective. Visual Studio 2022 C++ Dynamic Debugging. Visual Studio 2022 now supports C++ Dynamic Debugging, providing a comprehensive debugging experience for optimized code without performance loss. Developers can place breakpoints and step into optimized functions with on-demand function deoptimization. This feature requires Visual Studio 2022 version 17.14 Preview 2 or newer, available soon. For more details, visit aka.ms/dynamic debugging. Pix updates for direct 3D context events. Starting with the April 2025 GDK, Pix Begin event and Pix End event calls that take a direct 3D context can now be made from different CPU threads. This flexibility means CPU work start and end times are now shown as Pix markers on the individual CPU threads that issued them. The result is a much clearer CPU timeline and improved visualization, making it easier to spot performance patterns across threads. We hope that you've enjoyed learning about some of the new features in this release of the GDK. This video has just a few of the many investments that we make in every GDK release to help our development partners succeed. To learn more, take a look at our public GDK documentation at aka.ms/gamedevdocs. Experiment with our public version of the GDK at aka.ms/GDK. Or if you're ready, join the ID at Xbox program at xbox.com/developers/ID today.